Hi, this video is brought to you by TechDirectArchive.com. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a React app with Vite. What is Vite? Vite is a front-end build tool that was developed and designed to improve your development experiences because it will offer you a faster development and also a better performance. So now I'm going to create a project folder now. I'm going to create a project folder. So let me go into documents. So I'm going to name it Tech Direct Archive underscore React Bit. So that is our folder. So I'm going to launch this folder inside. I'm going to launch it into VS Code now. CMD. Then the code. So our Visual Studio Code will launch now. This is, can you see the folder? This is our project folder. So the next thing to do now is to install the Vite, to create the Vite project. So let me bring up the terminal that we're going to make use of. So new terminal. So I'm going to enter this command, npm create Vite at latest. What this command will do is it's going to check online for the latest Vite and it will install it. So, but if you do not want the latest, let's say you want a particular version, you just name the version like this 4.1.0. This is one version of it. So you just name it here and you install. But if you do not want to be specific, just enter latest here and hit enter. So this will create your first Vite project, though there are still some other. Okay, for instance, it's now showing project name, so we are going to follow the step one after the other. So Vite project is going to give it a name. Vite project, you can decide to change the name. Let's say my first Vite project. So that is our project name. Hit enter. It's asking package name. So now it's showing framework. We need to select the framework we are making use of. Is it vanilla, Vue, React, and others? But in this instance, we are making use of React. So just select React. So this is the variant, the different languages you can make use of. Here we have TypeScript and JavaScript, but our focus for this project, you can decide, decide to use TypeScript or JavaScript. So I'm just going to select TypeScript so that we can move on. So TypeScript is already selected. So everything is done now, but not completed yet because we still have to run these 3 commands to perfect everything. So you can see cd project, the project name that we entered the other time. Then also npm install, npm run dev. So we're going to run all this one after the other. So the cd just means change directory. So we are going to change directory into that project folder. we are inside the main project folder, but this is like the child project folder. So now I'm going to enter my first Vite project. So it's going to change directory into it now. So we're inside that folder now. So now the next thing is to run npm install. It's going to install the packages, the node package dependencies. It's going to install it. So this is going to take some little time depending on how fast your network is. So let's be patient. It's going to finish soon. So it's almost done. So we are done now. You can see added 202 packages. If you check here by the left on the Explorer here, you get to see all what has been installed. So you are good to go now, but we still need to run one more command, which we set up our development environment. I mean, where you be able to see all what you are working on your code when you make any changes or any updates into your code. This environment is where you get to see all those changes, whether this is fine or okay. So we need to create that environment, which is going to be a local environment in this instance. So npm run dev. This will run our environment for us, which is a development environment. Just hit enter. So if it's successful, you get to see the environment. So this is our local environment now. This is local host and the port number. So with this now, if you launch this URL on your browser, the local environment will show and it will display your project. So let me copy this now. So let's paste it here. So that is it. We now have Vite plus React. So our project is live and direct locally. So once this is done, and all the changes, your update is fine locally, then it will now be time for you to push to the live environment where the other people is whereby it is accessible to other users online. But as it is now, it is still local for me. Any changes I make, any update I make to my code, I'll be able to see it here and I can make any correction to that. So it's very simple to set up, very straightforward, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.